Matex is a wonderful local company. Sammy is from Matex today. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Nice
How are
to
you?
see you. Tell people what you guys were doing. You were taking nominations for what?
We were taking nominations for a deserving veteran to give them a free furnace to heat their warm this winter.
Unbelievable.
Their house this winter.
Unbelievable. So you were giving away a furnace.
Yes.
And furnaces cost, what, $5,000, $7,000? They're a lot of money.
They can be, yes.
Okay, so depending on what kind you get. So you're taking nominations, and you probably got some wonderful, heartfelt, moving kind of stories here.
We did. We always do. This is our second year of doing this, and each year we've received some really good stories.
So how do you decide?
Well, we decide on the need of the deserving veteran, financial as well as how bad they really, really need it.
Okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, Sammy from Matex, and here we go announcing the winner. Tell me, Sammy, who wins the furnace?
The furnace, the winner of the furnace this year is Audrey and James Holland of Monticello, Illinois.
Wow.
Hey.
And why did you pick them?
Their story was very short and very sweet, and my coworker Tara and I felt they were the best deserving for this.
Okay.
Raising two girls in high school, both of them being disabled veterans, but still working to make ends meet for the family. And they were told a few years ago that both their furnace and AC were needing to be replaced, so we're going to help them out.
That's incredible. Okay, so you got two disabled veterans.
Yes.
Raising two kids, and Matex is going to reach out and help them.
We sure are.
That's a heck of a community.
As you get the fix with Matex, I see you have locations in Champaign, Mattoon, and Monticello.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Excellent.
it's nice that we have this Holland family from Monticello to benefit from
Wonderful.
Matex.
Good of you, Sammy, to do this.
Thank you
Thanks
so
to
much.
all the good people at Matex for doing this. It's a wonderful story, and you guys don't have to do that, but obviously you appreciate our military, as many of us do.
Absolutely.
But you really put it on the line to give them a furnace. That's really good of you.
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations on this, and again, congratulations to the Holland family for being the recipients of this. They got to be thrilled.
They were very excited. I talked to Audrey yesterday, and she was very excited.
And their furnace is probably really old.
Yes,
Yeah,
about 18 years old.
Well, you not only gave them a furnace, but you gave them less of a bill because it's going to be more efficient.
That's
it's
right.
Work better. You're going to have something that, it's going to be shocking. They're going to see their power bill and think something's wrong.
They're going to save lots of money this winter.
I saw on Audrey's note, she said, no matter who gets this free furnace, I just thank you for supporting our veterans.
Yes,
Yeah.
so selfless of her to even post
Yeah.
that.
Good
We really
stuff.
appreciate that.
Sammy,
Thanks for going to
thank you.
MatexService.com.
Yeah, and have people call Matex if they need to check the furnace. What's the number to get hold of you guys?
It is 217-355-9700.
Well, thank you for coming in, and thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much.
Sammy and Matex. Nice thing. ESPN 93.5.
Are you tired of fixing that old broken down furnace every winter? Call Matex Heating and Cooling for the perfect solution. From now through December 15th, choose special financing for 6 years or a $1,000 trade-in allowance on qualifying systems during Train's Unstoppable event. Call 355-9700 or visit MatexService.com. Serving Central Illinois since 1994. Get the fix with Matex. It's hard to stop a train.
For complete program eligibility, dates, details, and restrictions, subject to credit approval.